friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design, and I'm here today to show you my latest kit for the Button Farm Club. It's time for back to school, so we're working with Authentique's fantastic Scholastic collection. You're going to learn how to build this wonderful tri-fold folio base with loads of interactive elements in the easy to follow tutorial that comes with the kit. So the folio measures 6.5 inches by 8 3/4. It has double 1-inch spines. It's all decorated up with these adorable papers. Look at this spine. You're going to get the 12 by 12 collection kit that comes with the sticker pack. You're going to get these darling Buttons Galore and More school themed buttons, 2 yards of this beautiful Navy Plaid Ribbon, some little Birdie Renea flowers. You're going to get this wonderful vintage style chalkboard to go on the cover. More of these buttons. You're going to get Burlap String. You're going to get a Bulldog clip. Of course, you're going to get the paper to make the folio base and Spectrum paper for matting, and then more kraft cardstock for building the folio inserts and interactive elements. So let's take a quick peek at the inside. Right off the bat, we start having fun with a double flap page. And this also has a really fun element on the back side that serves as a pocket. Over here on the left, we've got a tip-in page with a little tuck spot, turn tab, a wonderful pocket where you can keep all those documents and records from the school year, as well as photos. I love using these little 3x4 cut-aparts as photo mounts. You just put your photo on the back. And then this is actually a pull-out page. And I designed this album so that you could do large 5x7 photos as well as lots of smaller photos inside. Here's another handy storage pocket for little souvenirs from field trips and class activities. And this just slips back behind in this hidden pocket. And of course, the tutorial shows you how to create all these wonderful interactive elements in the album. And then this opens. The center is an expandable pocket, and you'll learn how to build that with a little folio and journal card insert. This little folio is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, I believe. And then here we go. This is really fun. I'm going to show you how to build a pocket that allows you to put in a double insert. And these inserts are large. They are 5 1/2 by 7 1/4, I believe. And one of them actually has a spine, and then room for a photo here. And of course, you can tuck more photos into the pocket. And this page actually has a channel on the inside that makes it very easy to slip these inserts in and out. So there's plenty of room for photos there. And then of course, this little folio tucks in the pocket and holds those flaps in place. Then over here, this is such a cute element. I love accordion pages. And this little accordion pullout actually has room for 10 photos. And as you can see, each panel is 4x6, will hold a 4x6 photo. There's another little tuck spot here with this cute little schoolhouse button. And you'll learn how to build this in the tutorial. So school is filled with so many wonderful memories, so many fantastic activities, and you can capture them all in this adorable little folio designed for you by the Button Club. So I hope you'll sign up today. You'll find a link below in the description, and I'm going to go get my craft on. Have a good one. Bye.